I am changing this status of this ticket and want to check in the JQL how I am getting or not. So let me change status from open to start progress. So you can say it's in progress. Now if you will go to issue, search for issues, here just type status equal to in progress and project equal to sta. Okay, so you can see this ticket 92 updated. I have changed this open to in progress. Okay, here you can see these 13 tickets, but I want to check which ticket is changed from open to in progress, a specific one. Okay, so how I can get that data? You need to type from open to in progress. So these are the tickets which change status from open to in progress and project control sta. See, these are the 54 tickets. Here status got changed from open to in progress, but you can see this ticket is also showing. Why? It should not show because it's in open status, so it's nothing like this, so it will also show. Okay, let me show you. Go down, see status are getting changed. So how I want to changed by. Okay, and status changed by see status changed by JQT is not shown. Why? Because my username is Jira SME. See, these are status got changed and project equal to sta. See, I am getting the result. So like this, if any status got changed or who changed the status, from where to where status got changed, so you want to get those kind of result, so you can use this kind of JQL. Thank you for watching.